Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are ready. Node, JS installed and VS Code open. Once Node is installed, confirm with Node V to avoid surprises. Make a dedicated project folder and open that folder in Visual Studio Code so your workspace is clean. Then create a new file named index.js. You do this now because running code relies on the runtime and the editor being aligned. Make sure extensions and terminal access are available before moving on. Once done writing code, save and run with Node index.js in the integrated terminal to see output immediately. If you prefer, use the Code Runner extension play button for quick execution. It pipes output to the output pane. For deeper inspection, set breakpoints in the gutter, open Run and Debug, and launch the Node.js configuration. This lets you step through lines, inspect variables, and understand execution flow. Perfect for catching logic errors and learning why a result appears the way it does. To finish, add a package. JSON script so you can run npm start rather than typing node index.js every time. This standardizes commands. If things go wrong, check for simple issues first. Typos in file names, missing require or import statements, or mismatched node versions. Make sure the terminal working directory matches your project folder. If persistent, open developer tools or read terminal logs to see stack traces. They tell you where execution failed and why, which makes fixing the problem much faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.